What is up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription. It's going to be a super quick video, but before we get into it, I would love if you could slap a like on this video, maybe subscribe to the channel if you're interested in AI tools and tutorials about AI. We're a very small channel, so it helps us a ton. Anyway, super easy to cancel your subscription. You're going to go to the top right of the page here. It's either going to be your profile icon or here it's a diamond. You're going to click that and then click My Plan. And then it prompts you to upgrade your plan. We don't want to do that, obviously. We'd like to manage our subscription down here in the fine print. We're going to click that. Wait for a moment. And there we have it. So we can cancel our plan here. And that's all she wrote. So thanks again for watching, guys. And, give us a subscribe if you'd like to stay in the AI world orbit.